Hello YouTube, this is Eddie again, bringing another video on my motorcycle camping. What I decided to do today, I'm pretty sure you can see my Kelty in the background. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you pack it up, the size of the poles, and an update that I did using a tarp that you can see in the background. So let me show you that real quick. And there it is. So what I've decided to do is grab a tarp that I bought at the local Academy store, and since it's just a $3.98 or $4.98 dollar tarp, what I decided to do is put it underneath my Kelty Salida tent. I aligned it with the holes right here. As you can see, I put the holes there. And then on the, at least on one side, I added, or I put the pole along with that little hole. And then what I just did is I just went ahead and I trimmed it using the scissors. So as you can see, it goes right underneath the tent. And of course, for all of the fellow tent camping enthusiasts, what that does is it stops the water from trickling under your tent and possibly ruining your evening. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going around the tent so you can see how I just cut it with the scissors. And the benefit of this obviously is I'm going to carry less material, less weight on my motorcycle. It's key that I carry as little as possible weight, because I still have to carry my pad, sleeping pillow, and the the sleeping bag. So this is a freestanding tent. This is what I like about the Kelty Salida tent. And as you can see, I'm just in my mom's backyard. It's all concrete. I'm going to just set up the fly to see what it looks like with the fly installed. Give me 1 second. Okay, there it is with the rain fly. I can still see a little bit of the tarp now that I've installed the rain fly, but it's not a big deal. I can go in there and trim some more using the scissors, but I think it's going to work well. Obviously, this is the guide tie down, which I'm not going to use. I'm just going to leave it there so you can see what it looks like. And since I'm on concrete, it's not really staked down, so I'm using this, whatever that is, a big metal car part, just to bring out the vestibule so you can see what it looks like. And there it is. I think that little tarp upgrade might work well. That's what it looks like from this angle. And I think it's going to work well. Hopefully I'll test it out soon. Last camping adventure I had, I was freezing my butt. So I'm going to wait for the weather to warm up a little bit so I can continue going out camping on my motorcycle. Okay, what I wanted to show you next was the aluminum poles. Now these poles, when they break down, the actual size is about 15, I think 15 and a few centimeters, which works great for the setup that I have. Now the bag that I put it in is this Sea to Summit, what they called waterproof bags, and I got this one at the Academy. And so the tent itself, along with the rain fly, and of course now the tarp that goes underneath that I just cut, as you can see, all fits in there neatly. And then I'm going to put it in my motorcycle top case so you can see how everything works when I take off on my trips. And there it is. This is the GV 40 liter top case. Tent goes right in there. Gives me some space here to put some more gear. I can put my inflatable pillow. I can put my inflatable my sleeping pad somewhere around here. And if you close this like that, I still got a little bit of room in here to carry my camel pack, my camel pack water pack, 2 liter water camel pack, which goes right here. So everything closes up, and voila, I'm ready to travel.